So interpolation is the procedure of finding most appropriate estimate for the missing data. Suppose you have the tabular values given for x values as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you are supposed to calculate x at, find corresponding y at x equal to say 0.2. Then we can apply interpolation. It is the art of reading between the lines of the tabular values. Okay, it's not extrapolation, because we are talking about we will talk within the given, for the given range of data only. About those values we can find out. So for Newton's forward difference interpolation, we consider a function y equal to fx and the set of equidistant points, say x0 equal to a, x1 equal to x0 plus h, x2 equal to x0 plus 2h, and so on up to xn equal to b for the function y equal to fx. What we require here is that your xi's should be equispaced. This is our requirement. Your xi values should be equispaced. Define y0 as f of x0, y1 as f of x1, y2 as f of x2, and so on. The Newton's forward difference interpolation polynomial is y0 equal y at x equal to y0 plus p into delta y0 plus p minus 1 by 2 factorial delta square y0, and so on. The thing is that how will you write down this last term? If you focus for delta square y0, you have the terms p into p minus 1 in the numerator. If you focus on delta cube, you are considering the terms p minus 1, p minus 2. This 2 is nothing but 3 minus 1. Then next term will be p minus 1, p minus 2, p minus 3 by 4 factorial delta raised to 4 by 0. So for the nth term, numerator will be the product of the terms p minus 1, p minus 2, p minus the bracket n minus 1 divided by n factorial delta to the power n by 0. And what is x? X is x0 plus ph. What is x? X is x0 plus ph. Let us work out this one. We will discuss one problem for Newton's forward difference interpolation. So write down the question. For y equal to fx given below, find f at 0.2. Find f at 0.2. For y equal to fx given below, find f at 0.2. Okay, so the function, the tabular values for x are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and y equal to fx is given as 176, 185, 194, 203, 212, 220, 229. As you read these tabular values, the first question is that whether your x values are equispaced, whether xi's are equispaced, then we can apply Newton's interpolating formulae either backward or forward. Okay. Your xi values are equispaced. What is the common difference between x values? That is 1 minus 0, that is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. You should consider the difference between any two consecutive x values. Okay. Now the value 0.2 is very much closer to the beginning of this 0, tabular value 0. So we apply Newton's forward difference interpolation. So we apply Newton's forward difference interpolation. So these are delta by 0, Then this is the value for delta square y naught. This is delta cube y naught.
मेरा स्कोर भी करना है.
Delta raised to 4 y naught. Delta to the power 5 y naught. And this one is delta to the power 6 y naught. So these are the values which we require in that formula. Next point is that here your h is 1, x is x naught plus ph. X is the value which you want to find, so x is 0.2, x naught is 0, so p is x minus x naught by h. P is x minus x naught by h, so that comes out to be 0.2. Substituting these values in Newton's forward difference interpolation, using the formula for Newton's forward difference interpolation, we will get this value as 177.67.